So we're going to do a DIY guide on the mk3 3.5. It's all stuff I've learned over time or advice I've taken from others. You never know, over time there's a little bit of information that could help other people. So let's get on with it. So, little project, the mk3. I've always had an issue with water coming in. Couldn't work out why. Chris previously changed the sunroof, the seals, he's done everything. We're still getting water coming through. Thought to myself, well, how? Where? So yesterday I decided to move the car, and it was heavy rain, and guess who had a shower in the car? Yeah. So I thought, is it coming from the sunroof? It was dry. Where the hell could it come from? And then I fingered something. The door seal along here, if you put your fingers under, I could literally finger it and see daylight. I mean, I still can kind of. Yeah, if I really try, I can see like then a little bit of daylight. Yeah, it wasn't great, and it's probably a lot to do with as well why I had a dreaded hole in the floor. So right, how can I fix it? New seal maybe, because it's not damaged. Asked online, and Phil and a couple of others said to me, well, you know what, so I bent it, made no difference. And then Phil said to me, use the heat gun. So you want to heat your B-pillar up, heat all of this part of your door, have the window down, have your wind deflector removed. I got it hot, really hot. Placed my knee here, and obviously two hands there, and I was bending. You can literally bend this whole door frame. I've done it a couple of times until I got it how I wanted, and yeah, now that's a lot tighter. And touch wood, when I finger it, you can't see daylight. So yeah, probably mk3, 3.5, mk4, mk5s probably will have similar issues over time with door frames warping, I guess. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, it helps someone out. Obviously I can't be responsible if you break your window. So yeah, that's that part of it done and dusted. Nearly back on the road.